Hello traders, I want to show you briefly how you can make use of Forex Factory economic calendar. So you have to click this section. That's the first thing. The second thing, you have to select your time zone. So click here to select your time zone, then save the settings. So the next thing, you proceed to this filter. So we have different options here. We have expected impact. How will the news, what would be the effect of the news on the currency pairs that you are trading? So this is high impact, this is medium impact, this is low impact, and this is non-economic. Okay, if you are interested in only high impact news, you have to select this. And if you're interested in medium and high impact, select this too. If you're not interested in low and non-economic, you have to untick two of them. And here you have to select the event type. So I'm interested in all of these except this. And the currency section, pick the currencies that you are interested in. So I'm interested in all these currencies except CYN. And the default view, leave it at weekly, then apply filter. So you move to this navigation section. You can see that this is February 2025, and you have to select the date that you are interested in. If I click on 26th of February 2025, I will have all these news event that coming up tomorrow. So first you have to check the date, make sure it's correct, and the time that that particular news will come up. So if it is, let's take Australian dollar for example, it'll be coming up by 1:30 a.m. and it's consumer price index. Okay, so you see the details there. Now come to this side, you will see the previous figure. It was 2.5%, and the forecast analysts are saying that it will be 2.6%. So you have to wait this time when the figure will be released. Okay. So if you're interested, that's a Thursday, you click on Thursday. So these are all the news events that will be coming out on Thursday. Check the date, the time, the currency, and the impact. So like I told you guys, this is high impact news. This is medium impact. This is low impact. So unemployment claims that is for US is going to be a very high impact news. So the previous figure was 219K, and the analyst, the forecast is saying that it will reduce to 222K. I mean, it will increase to 222K, which is bad. It means the unemployment rate is going higher and is going to affect the value of USD. So you have to wait until the actual figure is being released. Is it going to be higher than what the analysts are saying, or it will be lesser? So that is what you have to look out for. And when trading news, there will be high volatility, so you have to use proper risk management. Always use your stop loss. Please, if you find this insightful, you can hit the like button, and also you can subscribe.